In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Perplexity to Claude. If you want Perplexity to respond using Anthropic's Claude model, I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up, explain what to look for on the screen, and share a few quick tips so you don't get stuck. Start by opening your browser and going to Perplexity AI. You'll land on the Perplexity homepage. If you're not signed in yet, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click Sign In. Logging in ensures your model choice is saved to your account and applied consistently across chats. On the sign-in screen, select Continue with Google. Perplexity supports other sign-in methods too, but using Google is the quickest for most people. Complete the sign-in as you normally would, then wait to be returned to the main Perplexity interface. Once you're in, find the model selector. Depending on your layout, it's typically near the top of the chat area or close to the input box. Click it to open the model menu. You'll see a list of available models. Look for Claude Sonnet 4.5 in the list and select it to set Claude as your active model. At this point, Perplexity may show a notice that Claude Sonnet 4.5 requires a Pro subscription. That's expected. If you're not on Pro yet, choose the option to upgrade. Follow the on-screen prompts to subscribe. This happens within Perplexity, and once you're done, your account will have access to premium models like Claude Sonnet 4.5. After your subscription is active, head back to your chat. Open the model menu again if needed and pick Claude Sonnet 4.5. You should now see Claude selected, often indicated by its name next to the chat input or at the top of the thread. From here, you can start asking questions, and Perplexity will respond using Claude. A few helpful tips. If the model list doesn't refresh after subscribing, try reloading the page and opening the model selector again. Make sure you're signed into the same account used to upgrade so your Pro benefits apply. If your workspace supports multiple models, the selection is typically per chat, so verify the model name before you send your prompt. And remember that Pro plans can have usage limits. You'll see any relevant notices in the interface. That's it. Go to Perplexity, sign in, open the model selector, choose Claude Sonnet 4.5, upgrade to Pro if prompted, then confirm Claude is selected and start chatting. Pause the video and follow along step by step, and you'll be switched over to Claude in just a minute or two.